Our industry today is about building great environments.
Spaces and places that are energising, supporting and inspiring.
Where work is flexible, collaborative and productive.
At ZENITH, we do this by combining your vision and your team
with our design solutions, our service and our people.
We're spread across 5 time zones.
Over 1.5 billion people living in the countries where we work.
We're a diverse, focused, experienced and reliable team.
With ZENITH Design, we continue to introduce better and better solutions.
Rumba and Cloud, Edo, Orbis and Control.
Go, Soul Mix and Kissin.
Our range comes from where the art and the science of industrial design
meet customer needs, where they meet your needs.
Everything we learn from every job we do feeds back into our process.
From a pencil sketch to 3D CAD drawings to our virtual reality suite.
Our 4 wholly owned manufacturing plants
give us capabilities we know are important to you.
Localisation, portability, quick turnarounds and quality control.
We're more competitive, more responsible and more sustainable.
And when our research, design, prototyping and engineering
are combined with our manufacturing strength,
we can offer the huge advantages of mass customisation.
Our design partners make us a truly global enterprise.
With Schamberg and Alves,
Formway, Senator Alamua,
Bossy Space, Bruna,
La Palma and Aichi.
We bring the best the world has to offer to the Asia Pacific.
With 12 showrooms, we are right where you need us to be.
And with our accounts and project management teams.
Our collaboration with you is supported the whole way.
The job may be finished, but our relationship goes on.
Let's build great work environments together.
We really can make your space your way.